Hey everyone, so I've got some catnip here now. I want to show you something. This cat here doesn't like it. Oh, if I can just get the tin open. Okay, here we go. Here's the tin. Watch her. She don't like it. Look at the look on her face, mate. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Here we go. Oh, maybe she doesn't like it. She usually is like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, watch this, watch this. But Xana here. Hey, look! Oh, come here, baby, what I got? Look, what's this one? Look at her little face. Oh, she actually looks like she doesn't like it. Oh, well, usually it's the opposite. Usually this freaking one up here, who's going to get off my kitchen bench in a minute, putting her ass on my fucking food preparation table. This is not accepted. Now, she usually doesn't like it. And she usually likes it. But look at the look on her face. Hannah. Ooh. What's in there, Hannah? Oh, here we go. We're going to go boofy now. I wonder if she's going to roll on the kitchen floor. Are you? Oh, lick those lippies. Oh, it's hit her. Xana, are you with us? Oh, oh, now she's like, yeah, man, I actually do like that stuff. It's probably because it's like raining outside. They got nothing else to do. She's gonna tip it over. I reckon she's gonna tip it over. Oh. Hey, Buffy. Ooh. What about this one? How you going to Catnip? Hey? Look at you. Oh, don't touch me. Oh, yes. Oh, you do like it. You. What were you doing? What is that? Ooh. Oh, she's going to roll in that. She's going to eat it. She's going to lick it. Go on, you and Hendy get smashed together. Go on. What are you doing, Xana? Roly poly, roly poly. Oh yes, roly poly, roly poly. Hey, Hendy's enjoying the catnip. Woohoo! She's usually freaking out by it. Oh, Hendy. Xana's done a runner. Let's go find Xana. Look at that tin, mate. Hey? Little cat drug. Hey? Doesn't do anything to humans. I did try to sniff it, but, no good there. Hey, you. Oh, crazy Xana. You diggy diddy you. Woo. What is it, baby? Oh, what is it? What is it? What are you doing? Gotta love the catnip, yeah. Gotta love the catnip, yeah. Gotta love the catnip, oh yeah. Okay, bye peeps. Go give your cat some catnip. Totally recommend it, hey? Especially if it's raining and your cats are bored. And I don't think it works for bunnies. No. I don't think it does it? No. It just works for pussycats. Oh. Shake it off, Xana. Just shake it off.